Aloha everyone, welcome back to our Canoe Plants of Hawaii series. Today we are looking at ʻOhe, or bamboo, a plant that had many diverse uses in ancient Hawaii, from building materials and tools to musical instruments and water vessels. So let's take a look at some of these. The diverse uses of bamboo included construction. Bamboo stems were used for building houses, making posts, bridges, even sleds for holua, which was a dry sledding sport. Also, bamboo was made to use tools and utensils like fishing poles, agricultural implements, and parts of canoes. As a musical instrument, bamboo was used to make the ʻOhe hano ihu, which was a nose flute, the pu ili, which was a split bamboo rattle, and ʻOhe ka eke eke, a bamboo stamping tube. Also, bamboo, or ʻOhe, was considered a kino lau, or body form of Kane, the Hawaiian god of water and life. And so, going along with that, they were used as water vessels. The hollow internodes between the stems were used to store and carry water, which was crucial for survival on long voyages and in daily life. So that is a little information for you guys about ʻOhe, bamboo. You can check out our other plants in the Canoe Plants of Hawaii series. We've got mountain apple, breadfruit, ipu, and soon we'll be coming out with banana. So if you're interested in that, subscribe to the channel so you can keep up to date on everything we're doing from here in Hawaii. Aloha.